Alright, so with our fly rod holder here, this is what it's going to look like when it's installed. And essentially what you're going to do is just put this here into place. We like to get it nice and flush with the edge here, and then once you're holding it into place, you will just simply screw your self tappers all the way up into the wood that's up in here. And once you feel a good grab and get it in there tight, it's good to go. And the same will be the case for the one in the back. The one with the paracord on it, the bungee cord on it, will be the one in the back, and it will mount the same way with just those two brackets with the screws screwing up into this panel here. I have found, depending on where you kind of screw into here, you might hit wood first and then feel some resistance and then grab this metal too. I typically try to grab that metal too, let it catch the wood, and then it'll spin a little bit, then you'll feel it grab that metal. And then with this Velcro here, all you're gonna do is just stuff this up in there. You could get a paint scraper, flat head screwdriver, be careful with it, but just kind of wedge that up into there. You might be able to do it by hand as well. And then with this excess here, this just grabs the upholstery here, and really all that's doing is just giving you a little bit of extra support in the middle for your fishing poles to not be, you know, sagging too far. So this just gives you a little bit of support there, and that's pretty much it.